How to add segments in WordPress URL. Go to the permalink section and try to add a new segment. Update the post. It replaces the slash into dash sign. Here is how you can do it. Go to plugins and install a new plugin. Custom permalinks. Install and activate it. Once the plugin is successfully installed, go to the same post, and this time there is a new custom permalink section appears into the post, and try to add slash in the post permalink. Save it. Now this time a slash appear in the URL. You can also add multiple segments in the URL. In case if it doesn't work for you, go to the settings, permalink, and save the settings.